Hey Shadei, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will be cutting this curly wig that I made into like a curly bob kind of hairstyle because this hair is way too long and I'm going on vacation to Florida in a few days and I just wanted it to be shorter, and because I don't know if you guys can tell, the top part of the curls is a lot shorter than the rest of the curls, so this top part is like sticking out and it's really like annoying, and that's why I haven't worn it ever since I made it like over a year ago. But this hair is pretty much still brand new and I need something to do with my hair, so I just thought that I would just sew this curly wig down and just cut it into a bob, and hopefully that will make like these like short curly ends like not stick out as much. The longest of these bundles I think is 22 or 24, and this closure is about a 14, so that's like a huge difference. And when I first bought the closure and the bundles, I bought them at two different time periods, so I just bought the closure separately just by itself because I was just testing out some curly hair basically, and I did initially plan to use this closure with bundles this long, but I never bought a closure that was long enough for these bundles, so I just thought that maybe it wouldn't matter because it would blend in. But then I made the wig and I realized it matters a lot, and it looks really weird like sticking out with these super short pieces compared to these long pieces, and there's nothing that I can really do to make it like all be flat consistently. And I mean, on this side it doesn't look as bad and as noticeable, but on this side it constantly just comes up and it's noticeable to me. And hopefully this is not like an epic fail. Hopefully it turns out good. And FYI, I've never cut a curly bob before, so I'm really interested to see how it's going to turn out. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. This is currently not sewn down. I just have it like on with bobby pins, which is how I wear my wigs most of the time. But I will be sewing this down because I'm going on vacation and I want to go in water, and I'm probably going to go like to an amusement park and things like that, and I don't want to worry about this flying off because that is a no-no. So I'm gonna sew this down after like I cut this. This is a closure, but I just put it in a side position, so it's basically gonna be like a side part kind of bob thing. This is like the issue side really, so maybe I should cut this side first. So I'm gonna cut it longer than I really needed at first, just to make sure I don't cut it too short. And I'm gonna zoom in so that you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to cut like underneath a few inches, just because, like I said, I'm nervous about the length, and I don't want to cut too short at first. So let's just take this out just to see how it looks. And as of right now, it kind of is giving me like a long bob kind of hairstyle, which I like. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it shorter or not. So I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did on this side. So I'm gonna cut it, I want this to be even because I actually like this length. So I put the bow right here, so maybe it's like right here. Okay, so this is pretty much the length as of right now, and it looks pretty even to me, thankfully. So this was the issue side that I had that was sticking out with the little like short curly hairs, which I didn't like. And just cutting it already to this length, it made such a big difference because now those really short parts, as you guys can see, it's still like kind of short, but it like blends in so much better. And these are the ends, which they don't look like really crisp like they should, so I'm gonna cut those some more, and I'm just going to make sure that this is like more blunt. Okay, so I'm basically done cutting as of right now. I still do have to sew this down, but this is basically how it looks. I like this length a lot, and there are still like kind of like flyaways on this side, but honestly that's probably because I've had this wig like in a bag for so long, like that the curls are just like not like sitting how they should be, and I didn't properly store it. I mean, that's my fault. But I'm going to just put some mousse on this and probably put a scarf just so that it can lay down more at the top. Excuse the face because I just did this video like it was really impromptu. I really wasn't even prepared to do this video today, but I needed to do my hair today and I just did not feel like putting on makeup too, and it's super hot. And if I had to do that, I would not be doing the video. That's just how it is. Let me know what you guys think about this length. So thanks for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.